Yo, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another video here. We are today going to be installing some headlights and indicators to my Harley Iron 883. Now I've got these headlights and indicators and stuff off Amazon. I'll leave the links down in the description below and you can check them out. They are third-party ones, so hopefully they turn out pretty good. And yeah, let's just jump straight into it because it shouldn't be too long of a process to get these underway. So let's have a look at what the old ones do look like. So this one here is the old headlight just here, as you can see. This is like a single lit bulb pretty much with like an extra little one just kind of down there. And then these are the indicators as well, just like a single bulb kind of style thing. I don't really know much about this at all, so I'm just kind of giving it a go, just what I've seen before on videos as well. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. I'll show you guys. We'll take off the headlight first. I guess we'll turn it on and we can see the comparison and stuff side by side. So I'm gonna turn this light off. There we go. So it should be pretty dark. Sorry about that, but there we go. I'll just jump on here and we'll get this thing just here. So hopefully that should be all right. This is your regular. We got our high beams just there, regular, high beams, regular, high beams. So hopefully we see like a very noticeable difference in this one just here. So I'm gonna leave that in the exact same spot and hopefully we should be able to see that. We should be able to see it, you know, a lot bigger of a difference. So I'm gonna leave this one just here. I'm gonna set up like the tripod. I'm gonna put on my like helmet and stuff so you guys get a first person as well as the two different things. So I know I'm going to look pretty funny wearing a helmet doing this, but you know, here's what it is. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alrighty, so you guys are on my GoPro helmet cam thing that I've kind of set up a little bit. Hopefully the audio is not too terrible, but really is this, if you can see just down this way, just in here, there's like a little screw that all you're going to have to do is just go ahead and undo that pretty easily. There we go, that honestly looks like it's pretty much off. And once it is, the whole, oh, don't lose that though. So really you can just take this cap off and this whole bracket and all of that will come off as well, maybe, if it wants to work for me. There we go, the whole thing should just slide out just like that. And then should be as simple as just taking off this plug. There you go, that one there just comes out. It looks like we've got these two extra little plugs down the bottom just here. And there we go, that there is all off. And then we're just left with the couple of rings and the original headlight itself. Now we can just pop this one over here for the meantime. We'll leave that there, we'll package everything back up in this box just here. So then this one here is what we are left with, and I imagine that this plug here just goes into that like so, and really that should be about it. I'm not sure where the hell I'm meant to put these extra little plugs, if they're meant to be anywhere in particular at all. So yeah, I guess we'll have to see how it turns out and things. So they don't really see like they're connected to much, so I might just better roll them up and, you know, not have them plugged in, but we'll see how we go anyways. And now I have to find these screws. There's one. Okay, so imagine we want to put this back plate, you know, over top of this, just in here, ready for the other one to come screw on over top as well. I'm thinking that's going to go this way. And then this here should just plug in just like so. There we go, so I think that's on. I'm just going to quickly turn on the bike. There we go, so we have our regular lights just there and high beam as well. So that is a crazy big difference. I'm pretty sure we want this to be on the bottom with our high beams on top. Correct? I don't know. We'll figure this out in a second, but I'm just glad that's all working and everything's on and everything like that. I'm not sure what the hell these extra ones will be for. Maybe they're for the high beam in the like other light and things. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off just here. And there we have that there kind of put back on. I'm gonna just semi-tighten this up without losing everything. Just so that I can get this like straight and in line. So hopefully we should be able to do that reasonably easily. Okay. So two things I did wrong. First of all, I lost this little nut just here. I didn't even realize it was on there. I just thought this here was a thread itself and you just push it in and feel it. But anyways, we got that sorted. I'm definitely going to have to rotate this whole section, you know, around. So it doesn't even look like I can do that with it even tightened a little bit. So you have to grab this screwdriver again, undo this, and you know, at least try and line it up the best that I can. There we go, so that there is on right now. That's high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Like, I don't know how much more I would be able to even spin it anyways. Like, I think that there is pretty smack bang, really, when you think about it. Let's turn that off there. I'll show you guys what it looks like from the front as well. So that's it just there. You can see, so if you do get this same one, you gotta have the label like that, the text and things at the top, and your high beams at the bottom, and apparently it's all water sealed and all that good stuff, so, you know, that's pretty cool. Now we can hopefully go ahead and do the easier of the two things. Let's go ahead and turn this off. So these ones here are our new indicators and things. So really all you should have to do is pop off these caps and replace them, you know, just with the new ones. So hopefully we'll do this one here just because it's easier to start off with. Let's go ahead and get that up in there. And there we go, that's it. That's all that is there. Go ahead and put that down. We'll open up our little bag of goodies. Again, I would just wear gloves if you have them. If not, like, I mean, these are cheap little things anyway, so they, you know, you should be, oh, fine, probably shouldn't drop them, but anyways, I just did. And then simply all it is just like a regular light bulb. You just push it in, twist it, out it comes. To put it back in, you just push it, turn it right. Pretty easy. Hopefully you understand on that later. So yeah, really, all you do is you line up this little notch just here with the notch just in there, and you just push that in and spin it to the right if it wants to let me do that. Alrighty, so I ended up half getting it on. It works. I'll show you guys just this one. There we go. So there is no white LEDs around the outside, and you do turn them on. They're not really that bright. I know it looks like it on camera and things, but this one, like if I turn my hazards on, this one over here is way brighter. And the whole reason I wanted them is to, you know, look bright. These aren't even the real ones that are like any good at all. There you go. These are like cheap knockoff ones. Like, they only paid like $15 for them. So really, I wasn't expecting much at all. So I'm gonna take this one here out, just like that. I actually don't know if it's my fault, or, you know, because if it's just not in properly, but I can't get it in any further. So, you know, I'm just gonna put this one here back in. There we go, and we can turn them back on. I want to actually have a look at this black caps just over here. I accidentally bought one because I didn't realize they came individually. Like, I read that, but I thought I ordered two, but apparently I didn't. So, you know, that's fine. I'll order some more. I will probably get proper ones of the indicators and things. But yeah, I think for the meantime, I'll just leave these guys on. There you go. So I'm gonna put this cap on, see how it looks. Where's the bottom of it? There we go. So let's go ahead and just pop that on there. Pretty easy installation. I don't even know if you can call it that. But they do look a lot cooler. Let's turn that on there. And hazard that up. But obviously these bulbs are white. It's just the caps that make them orange. But yeah, I don't know. Personally, I think they look a lot cooler. Yeah, personally, I think that looks a lot cooler than like this smoked out black look. Definitely makes the bike look a lot cleaner. But yeah, I think I'll come back with another video when I get proper ones of those. For these ones here, just don't waste your time on them. Honestly, it's not worth it. But yeah, I think that there might wrap up the video, guys. This thing here looks sick. I'm super happy with that. Link will be down in the description for that one. I'll leave a link to these light bulbs as well and the caps that I got if you guys are interested in getting any of those. But yeah, seriously, would not waste your money on these things because they are pretty garbage. So yeah, thanks for stopping in for today's video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.